In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do an uppercut dash in Ultimate Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the uppercut dash attack and how you can practice to perform it. This is a very difficult attack in my opinion, and essentially what you have to do is perform an uppercut, and immediately after the uppercut, you have to dash, go all the way around, and hit your opponent in the torso right before they land. If you are able to do this, you will connect an extra attack that is going to do some more damage, and you will be able to combo them even more. The best way to practice this is against a dummy in a private server, and you will be able to perform the timing. Essentially, you have to get the uppercut, and immediately after the uppercut lands, you just perform a dash to the side and you do a loop around like this. So you will need to move your camera a lot and also be aware of the timing. You don't want to do it too early before the uppercut connects, and you don't want to do it too late, or else you will not be able to get it right before they land. If you are able to hit your opponent in the torso, the attack is going to connect and you will be able to get the extra hit in, like I mentioned. It is a very nice and flashy combo starter, and you will be able to get this done by connecting the attack right as they come back down. Now, I'm not the best at this, I apologize. I won't have very clean gameplay videos to show you what it looks like perfectly, but regardless, the general idea is that you will be able to do the circle dash, come back around, and then hit your opponent right as they land to get the extra hit. You will have to perform a 360 essentially, so you just do a circle with your dash. Some people also do the zigzag method where they are going to go back and then back around towards the opponent with the dash, but you can pick whatever you prefer. Either do a 360 around, so do a little circle and then come back, or you just do the zigzag where you go back, behind, and then you hit them as your dash finishes. I hope I was able to help you on how to do uppercut dash in Ultimate Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.